Hey, let me show you how you can attach and detach strap from your JBL Charge 6. So first of all, if you want to put it, you have to just slide it like that and just try to push it into the second side. There we go. Now just go over the button right here and gently try to move it just like this. Now the second side, input it just right here and slide it out. If you try it for the first time, it will be a little bit tricky, not that easy, but after a few tries you will just get used to it and you will be able to easily put it on your speaker. So now as you can see, you can grab it and carry out your speaker. And now if you want to remove it, then it's also quite simple. You have to just start from one of the side. So I'm gonna do this from the left side, take it off from this one and take it out. Just grab that part, pull it into the right or the left side, depends which one you are picking up, and now just take it off.